This is the most unique phone case and ultimate phone case that you'll ever need. Made from polyurethane, it's considered the best on the market. It features a built-in magnet whether you're in the car, at the gym, or a million other places. It comes with various accessories you can attach, such as your wallet or other items. The fold-out kickstand works in both portrait and landscape mode, and the tough back stays fresh, non-yellowing, and not dirty. If you really want your iPhone to look premium, not like trash, then you gotta get this case. Click the link below and take a look.